Thank you, viewers. I am Tutor Cletus Okoli. In today's math class, we shall be taking Olympiad math question. Given that 2 to the power of x is equal to 5 to the power of y and it is equal to 1000, we are now requested to find x plus y all over xy. What will the value of x plus y over xy? What should it be? Equal to question mark. We dive into this question. Watch till the end. You will learn something how we can evaluate or simplify this kind of Olympiad math question. Going forward, we shall have it as by solution. I am given that 2 to the power of x is equal to 5 to the power of y equal to 1000. Alright. Permit me to write it that 2 to the power of x is equal to 1000. This is equal to 1000. And also 5 to the power y is equal to 1000. Right. 5 to the power y is also equal to 1000. Alright. At this point, I want to remove the power x and the power y by the left hand side. And to do that, what I will do is to multiply both sides. Okay, let's make this one equation 1, and then we'll make this equation 2. So I will multiply equation 1 by power 1 over 2. Sorry, 1 over x, and that will now be 2 to the power of x multiplied by 1 all over x is equal to 1000 multiplied to the power of x, or rather 1000 to power a 1 over x. Good. Then in the second equation I shall have 5 to the power y multiplied by 1 all over y should be equal to 1000 to the power of 1 all over y. That is where we are now. Now going forward, you can now agree with me that from 2 to power x multiplied by 1 over x, that x will cancel x will cancel x to give me just 2 to the power 1 equal to 1000 multiply or to the power 1 all over x. And from 5 to the power y multiplied by 1 all over y, you can agree with me that y will cancel y, leaving me with a 5 to the power 1 equal to 1000 to the power of 1 over y. Okay. Also, I want you to see that 2 to power 1 is the same thing as 2, and also 5 to power 1 is the same thing as 5. So I can simply just put it as 2 and then 5. What I will now do, let's call this equation 3 and call this equation 4. I will now do multiply equation 1 by equation 2. By equation 2. Alright, what does it mean? I'll multiply 2 by the left hand side. I'll multiply 2 by 5. 2 multiplied by 5 equal to, and by the right hand side I will multiply 1000 to the power of 1 all over x. We now multiply with 1000 to the power of 1 all over y. This is very logical. Then by the left hand side, 2 multiplied 5 will give me 10, and by the right hand side I will apply the law of indices since the bases are the same. And that law of indices says that x to the power n, multiplied by x to the power n should give me x to the power of n plus n. That is a multiplication law of indices. Applying it here, since the bases are equal, the power should be added. So I will do the same thing here. The bases are equal, so I will add the powers, and that becomes 1000 all to the power of 1 all over x plus 1 all over y. This is very wonderful. Now, we continue to move forward, but you can see and agree with me that this 1000 can be written in base 10 to become 10 raised to the power 3, okay? Because 10 raised to the power 3 is written as 10 times 10 times 10, which is simply 1000. So I will now replace my 1000 with 10 to the power 3. And that will now give me 10 is equal to 10 to the power 3 all to the power of 1 all over x plus 1 all over y. This is moving fine. We move forward to have it written this way. You see, by the law of indices, which is called product law, that if I have x to the power 2, okay, or to the power a, or to the power b, it is equal to x to the power a multiply b. Alright? What that implies is that I shall use this power 3 inside the bracket to multiply the power outside the bracket. And what I will now write will look like this. 10 will now be equal to 10, then this my power 3 will now move outside the bracket to become 3 multiply what I have outside, which is 1 all over x plus 1 all over y. Good. And if you look at this, I want you also to see that 10 is the same thing as 10 to the power 1. Okay? 2 is the same thing as 2 to the power 1. In other words, any number to the power 1 is that number. So, nothing is wrong if I express my 10 as simply 10 to the power 1, because it is still 10. Good. And by law of indices, if I have x to the power 4 to the power y, okay, equal to x to the power z, it implies that when these bases are equal, that the powers also should be equal. That means that my y should be equal to z. And that is going to be applied here. I have base 10 by the left, I have base 10 by the right. Therefore, the power by the left should be equal to the power by the right. So, permit me therefore to express my work as 1 is equal to 3 into 1 all over x plus 1 all over y. This is very correct. And by division, I can now use this 3, that is dividing both sides by 3, which will now give me by the left 1 all over 3 equal to 1 all over x, then plus 1 all over y. Taking the LCM of the right hand side, I shall have xy. Then x divided xy will give me y, times 1 will give me y, plus y divided xy, which is the LCM, shall give me x, and x times 1 will give me x, equal to 1 all over 3. And you know addition is commutative. If I have y plus x, it is the same thing as x plus y, because if my y is 5 and my x is 2, it is the same thing as writing my x first and then writing my y second. That is 7 is equal to 7. So what that means is that here that I have y plus x, I can write it as x plus y. So I can now say x plus y all over xy is equal to what I have here, which is 1 all over 3. And this is simply what the question has requested, that we should find the value of x plus y all over xy. So our answer here should be equal to 1 all over 3. Final answer. Thank you for watching my video. Please share my videos to your co-learners, and if this is your first time of stopping by, kindly subscribe to my channel. I remain Tutor Cletus Okoli. God bless you.